Hi, welcome to Science. I'm your teacher for today, Marlian Macalino, and we're gonna talk about electron configuration. Now, what is electron configuration? It refers to the distribution of electrons at different positions and how it's arranged in an atom. Now, there are four orbitals that we will be tackling about. There is s orbital. S means sharp. It is like a spherical cloud that becomes less dense as the distance from the nucleus increases. Exponent is 2. P orbital. P means principal. It is like a dumbbell-shaped cloud that can be seen near the nucleus, and its exponent is 6. Now we have the d orbital, which d means diffused. It is like a four-leaf clover with a ring and more complicated than the orbitals in s and p orbitals. And its exponent is 10. Now we have f orbital, and f means fundamental. This orbital is very complex to visualize because there are 7 f orbitals which also have complex appearances, and its exponent is 14. Now we're gonna tackle about steps on how to get the electron configuration of an element. First, get the atomic number in an element. For example, H, hydrogen, its atomic number is 1. There. It is always placed at the upper left corner of the box. Next, count the exponents until you got the atomic number that you need. There. And then I have the mnemonics that can help you. Si Sarah pumunta sa party. Si Daddy pumunta sa disco. Paano si Frankie Daddy? Paano si Frankie Daddy? Paano? As you can notice, all of the first letter of each word is capitalized. Why? Kasi yan yung magsasabi kung ano na yung pagkakasunod-sunod nila. S, S, P, S, P, S, D, P, S, D, P, S, F, D, P, S, F, D, P. You can look at our picture right there. Next, I have a list of electron configuration examples for you. Now, we have boron, which its atomic number is 5. Now, its electron configuration is 1s squared, 2s squared, 2p in the power of 1. Dahil kapag binilang natin ang exponent niya, makikita mong sakto lang siya kung ano yung atomic number niya. 2. Ang S, di ba? Ang exponent niya is 2. So, 2. Yung isa din, 2. Yung isa naman, di ba ang sabi ko sa inyo kanina, P is equal to 6 ang exponent niya. Kaya siya naging 1 kasi yun na lang yung number na lang na yun yung kailangan niya. So, pwede siya mabawasan, pero hindi siya pwedeng madagdagan. Nagigets niyo ba ako? Okay, great. Next naman, sa nickel. Ang electron configuration niya is 1s squared, 2s squared, 2p in the power of 6, 3s squared, 3p in the power of 6, and 3d in the power of 10. Now, why? Pag pinag-add mo silang lahat, it is equal to 28. Let's check. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. And 18 plus 10 is 28. Now, its atomic number is 28. That's why it is the electron configuration of nickel. Next naman, sa calcium. ang electron configuration niya is 1s squared, 2s squared, 2p the power of 6, 3s squared, 3p the power of 6, 3d and 3d squared. Now, let's see. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 6 is 10, plus 2 is 12, plus 6 is 18, and 18 plus 2 is 20. Now, bakit ang exponent ng D is 2 lang? Bakit hindi 10? As I've said earlier, pwede siyang mabawasan, pero hindi siya pwedeng madagdagan. Understood? Now, great. I hope you understand our lesson for today, and thank you. Have a nice day.